So there I was, sitting inside enjoying the air conditioning when I got this text from my daughter. Ugh, flat tire, in the woods. Our machine has a winch, but that's not going to help in this situation. So we grabbed a different rig, got creative, and hoped that this didn't turn into a full-blown recovery. I also got a text message from the Pro saying that the battery was low. And the battery is dead on the Pro. Shoot, and that's the machine with the winch on it. So we're gonna have to get creative. Gerald has a winch. Let's take that one. Impact, sockets, tree saver, some of those, and the snatch block. That should be enough. I'm thinking pull the machine up, yank the tire off, bring it home, work on it. We'll see. You're a flat tire.
No.
Yeah. Fun. Mm-hmm. Yep. That's flat, alright. Alright, here's what I'm thinking. We're gonna bring the winch off Gerald, go to the snatch block on that tree, put a tree saver on that back bar, and we're gonna pull it right off of this tire so we can yank it off and take it down to the house and work on it.
So I'm gonna drive back with no tire.
No, we're gonna leave the machine here. We're gonna go work on the tire, hopefully fix it, and bring it back.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, I'm with you now.
Good. Yep, put that there. And then open that up.
Oh.
There you go. It's easier to hold the other part still and twist the pin out of it, but that works. Okay? We're gonna learn you about physics and stuff today. What? Yep. Hold on. Then you have to put the cable through here. So set it in. Yep. Close her up. Yep. Yes. There you go.
Oh wait.
Other way. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. That's wrong. That's right. Okay. Drop that on the ground, and then, well, pick up the hook. And then we gotta put the hook on Floyd. That's the wrong way. There you go. Hey, I haven't gotten that far yet. Alright, we gotta find a way to mount it because I only have one tree saver and I don't want to damage your machine. We're going with plan B. I only have one tree saver with me, so we're just going to put Gerald over there and pull straight on this so we can use the tree saver on her frame as to not damage anything. She who breaks the machine does the work. This'll work. Don't look at me like that. I was minding my own business inside in the air conditioning. It was nice. You gotta take the pin out and run it through it.
That would have been nice to know.
I'm telling you now. Look at these looks she gives me. Teenagers, man, they think they know it all.
I know he's talking crap, but I can't.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm in neutral.
Park.
You are in park. You stay in park. Right about there? Put it in park, careful. There, okay. She's holding on.
Don't make it fall on my foot.
I want to know why it's flat at all.
I don't know. It was was fine when I left.
You drove it for a little bit. Man, that's going to be a pain to get back on the bead. Alright, we're going to drop this back down and take the tire up to maybe the tire machine. Okay, letting you back down. Song, sucker! Oh, I'll wait for you. Work on a flat tire in the woods. I don't know why yet. Or why it vacuum sucked itself closed.
Simpler than you thought.
Ah, we got a hole.
Is it a big hole?
It's pluggable.
Oh, because of that little thing?
Yeah, I'll hold it. Let's all the air out of the tire. You don't have plugs, do you? Yep. Oh! I was going to take it home and plug it.
Grandpa's good at plugs.
He's got the plugs. Plug. That's it. Okay.
Plugged.
Plugged.
Ta-da!
Say, thanks, Grandpa.
Thanks, Grandpa.
That didn't sound very sincere.
Let's go back to the woods.
Okay.
Alright, we're back. New tire ready to go. Well, plugged tire ready to go. Okay. What setting is it? Not super tight.
2.
We'll just tighten them up good and then we'll take it home and do a real torque on it. That's good. Okay. Yay! Okie dokie. We did a good job. Ah. Okay, I'll follow you home. Straight home. We have people coming over at 6:30. We're out there. So far, so good. He's booking it. Not really. Gotta adjust those mirrors. Back home, got them all torqued. I put 50 foot-pounds on there. I've done a little more, snapped them, done a little loose. They worked themselves loose. 50 seems the magic number. The service manual says to do 30 degrees and then turn them another 90 or something. I don't know, it's weird. I just do it this way. It seems to work. 50. Right on the money. All right, well, she's gone, so I guess this job is up to me to finish. So I'm going to wrap it up. But that's it for today. We'll see you on the next one. Well, that's going to do it for us today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate every viewer and every subscriber, especially you members. You guys are amazing, and we really appreciate the support. As long as you're here, leave us a thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything, but really helps us out a lot. Hit me up in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. I reply to every comment I get. But in the meantime, thanks again for watching, and I hope I'll see you here for another video on 3-Day Weekend.